When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell. Sunbirds sing, winter turns to spring. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath the spell. I know such enchantment can be, 'cause it happened one evening to me. That certain night, that night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. This heart of mine beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. For we were dancing cheek to cheek, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn comes stealing up, all cold and blue, to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, "Was that a dream? Or was it true?" Our homeward step was just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stand, like an echo far away. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I know, 'cause I was there that night on Berkeley Square. It's a moment of moments, when moments are long, and this heart is sincere, is yearning so young to be with you. I give all of me, there's nothing to say, nothing to do, but to stay. One small bird says goodnight to the day, and the sky speaks of you, only you, and this calmness arrives, pulls over me. A blanket of love, the sky falling down, the night knows enough that I love you, and I don't worry, I don't fear, I don't speak. You are here, I take your hand, sense the divine. Please walk along in this garden of mine. All that is here is what I have, is what I give to you. It isn't much, but it is yours. It's how I live with you. All that is here is what I have and what I give to you. It isn't much, but it is yours. It's how I live.
where are you staying? You know, he is here, but I think so often it would be great that we could even recognize him with his fingerprint that he left in creation. That we are encouraged to see the lilies of the field, to see another sunrise, another